Dear students, welcome to our channel Online Class with Hema. Today we are going to see chemistry neat questions. First question. Rutherford's alpha particle scattering experiment eventually lead to the conclusion that option A, mass and energy are related, option B, electron occupies space around the nucleus, option C, neutrons are buried deep in the nucleus, option D, the point of impact with matter can precisely determine. So the correct answer is option D. The point of impact with matter can be precisely determined. Next, second question. The number of alpha and beta particles emitted in the nuclear reaction is TH2 to 890 gives Bi21283. The correct answer is option A, 4 alpha and 1 beta. 4 alpha and 1 beta. Next, third question. Principal quantum number determines option A, size of the electron wave and energy of electron, option B, orbital angular moment, option C, shape of the electron cloud, option D, configuration of orbitals in the space. And the correct answer is option A, size of the electron wave and energy of electron. Next, fourth question. The correct electronic configuration of Cr is, and the correct answer is option C, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3d5, 4s1. Next, the bond order of individual carbon bond in benzene is option A 1, option B 2, option C between 1 and 2, option D 1 and 2 alternatively, and the correct answer is option C between 1 and 2. Next, sixth question. Hybridization of sulfur in SO2 is option A sp, option B sp3, option C sp2, option D dsp2, and the correct answer is C sp2. Next, seventh question. Hybridization states of carbon and diamond, graphite and acetylene respectively are, and the correct answer is option C, sp3, sp2, sp. Next, eighth question. NaHCO3 decompose as 2NaHCO3, Na2CO3 plus CO2 plus H2O. The equilibrium pressure is 1.04 atmosphere and Kp for the reaction is, and the correct answer is option A, 0.2704. This is the correct answer. Next, for ninth question, for the reaction H2 plus I2 2HI, Kc is equal to 66.9 at 350 degrees Celsius and 50.0 at 448 degrees Celsius. The reaction as option A, del H positive, option B del H minus negative, option C del H is equal to 0, option D none of these, and the correct answer is D del H is equal to negative. Next, 10th question. A mixture of SO3, SO2 and O2 gases in a 10.0 liter flask is maintained at the temperature at which the equilibrium constant Kc of the reaction. 2SO2 plus CO2, 2SO3 is 100. If the number of moles of SO2 and SO3 in the flask are equal, the number of moles of O2 present is option A 0.01, option B 0.1, option C 1.0, option D 10.0, and the correct answer is option B 0.1. Next, 11th question. For the reaction C plus CO2 to CO, the particle pressure of CO2 and Kp and CO are 2.0 and 4.0 atmosphere respectively at equilibrium. Kp for the reaction is, and the correct answer is option B 8.0. 8.0. Next, for 12th question. For a reversible reaction 2H2S 2H2 plus S2, the equilibrium concentrations are 0.5, 0.1, 0.4, and the correct answer is option C 0.016 mole per liter. Next, for 13th question. The molecularity of the reaction can be 0, 1, 3, etc. The statement is, the correct answer is option B false. Next, for 14th question. For a first order reaction, the ratio of T 0.75 to T 0.50 would be, and the correct answer is option C 2:1. Next, 15th question. Which is the first order reaction? And the correct answer is option A. NH4NO2 gives N2 plus 2H2O. This is the correct order reaction. Next, 16th question. Which of the following aqueous solutions of sodium acetate will show a minimum pH? And the correct answer is option C 0.0001 m. Next, 17th question. Pure water dissociate to a small extent as per equilibrium. 2H2O gives H3O plus OH minus. The pH of pure water at 298 K is 7. What will be the pH of pure water at 310 K? And the correct answer is option D, less than 7. Next, 18th question. A solution has pH is equal to 3. If its hydrogen ion concentration is decreased 100 times, the pH of the solution will be option A 6, option B 0, option C 3, option D none of these. And the correct answer is option A 6. Nineteenth question. The brown ring compound is formulated as FeH2O whole 5NO whole SO4. The oxidation number of ion is option A plus 1. Next, 20th question. In the reaction I2 plus 2 Na2S2O3 gives Na2S4O6 plus 2 NaI. The equivalent weight of the oxidant is m molecular weight of the oxidant. Option A m by 2, option B m, option C 2m, option D 2 by m. And the correct answer is option A m by 2. Thank you.